welcome back. So I have quite a lot of news for you. As you have seen, I took a little break from posting videos, and that is because I needed to move again, and this time I moved only me and my boyfriend in a very nice apartment, and I thought what better way to start than doing a tour of all my orchids, and this way I also show you the grow space. Okay, so here on this windowsill, you will see I have huge windowsills. Here we are in my bedroom, and here we will start with this Oncidium Cherry Baby. It is doing great. It is the one from Clays and Orchidian, and it has this new growth and this one here. Actually on this side I think it has two new growths, or here, but I see this one, the little one, rotted away. It's okay, these ones are growing quite fast, but I see some shriveling, and that indicates me that this orchid is not yet, it didn't get rid of fusarium, because the orchid has roots, as you can see there. So I will apply some more fungicide for this one. And here we have, it is the Cattleya gasqueliana semi-alba, and it is maturing a lot of growths there. It took a little break after I repotted in the bigger leca bits, but now it's doing great. Here I have the Cattleya Pantum green, and it has matured this growth, this one, and this one, so it has three growths, and right now it has three directions of growth, so it will develop into a specimen orchid in no time. Here we have my Brassavola yellow bird. The spikes didn't yet dried up. This orchid is known for doing that, and right now is growing a lot of growths. For example, this one has a sheet, so I am going to have more blooms. This one also. Here we have my Cattleya Germanii, which is growing there a new growth, and it's growing it quite fast. Here we have my Dendrobium Pink Delight. It's growing three new growths. It's put up a spike, and it dried it up because it actually doesn't have a lot of fruits. Here we have another new growth, so it is recovering, let's say. Here it is a Paphiopedilum American hybrid, which right now it's growing up a spike. I cannot wait for him to grow the bloom, enjoy it, and after that I really need to change the pot, because you can see I took a yogurt container, and I actually have very nice pots right now, so I can change it. I didn't want to disturb it because I knew this growth was about to produce a spike, and I am expecting a spike from this growth too in the near future. Here I have that Cattleya No ID that is white, and it is from Orchid Garden. This orchid is not yet cured from fusarium. Again, the roots grow, and after a period of time they die back, so I'm sure she still has fusarium. Here we have the Cattleya Chianti Lodison Summer Beauty, and it has produced this big growth last season. Right now it's not doing anything. It doesn't grow roots, it doesn't grow new shoot-bulbs, so I hope it will soon start to grow again. Let's make some room. This is the orange Cattleya that I have from Rachel. It's growing this new growth and that one. It is not yet in great condition. It doesn't have a lot of roots, but recently, as you can see, I started to add again some moss on the top of the orchids which don't have a lot of roots, because that actually promotes new root growth. You know that in semi-hydro the top of the medium is usually more dryish, and for the very sick orchids, very weak orchids, I prefer to put some moss temporary. Here is the yellow Cattleya from Rachel. Is growing so amazingly. So I have a lot of growths which have recently matured, and now that she is established in the new pot, I hope with the new growths that are actually coming, because this orchid is always growing new growths, it will produce some buds. And this is my Cattleya gaskeliana, the normal form. It is growing a new growth right there. And it has a lot of roots. I hope maybe this year we will see some blooms. And here we have the Cattleya Chief Sweet Orange. It is growing some roots. I hope I can show you. There you go. And soon she will start to grow a new growth. Last growth was actually the biggest one, this one. So I am quite proud of her. I hope that with the next suitable it will actually bloom. And here we have a Cattleya that I got from Secret Garden. It is growing this new growth, and it is still adjusting to semi-hydro, but the suitables are plump, so it's good. I bought this orchid I think in September. So alright guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will come back with the part 2, 3 and 4 of this video. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. See you all next time. Bye!